I think Lordstown might crash short term. Like, I think Lordstown motor stock is going to go down even lower because there was a video with the CEO talking about Lordstown, and he came out and he admitted that short sellers were right about the pre-orders. And I'll play the video and I'll talk more about it.
The way that you have characterized your pre-orders or reservations in the past, I mean, you called these on CNBC serious orders. Now, people would look at this and say, if you have a company that's not putting down a deposit, that doesn't have a fleet, but basically are collecting letters of interest, are those truly serious orders?
Well, no, Phil, we've always been very clear, right? These are just what they're intended to be, right? These are non-binding letter intents. They're called pre-orders out in the kind of real world. So always classified them for that, and we have a lot of those pre-orders. I think, we have pre-orders directly from fleets. We have pre-orders from people that sell to fleets because that's the way fleets buy. Fleets don't buy in general, they don't buy like consumers buy. They buy through intermediaries. And so all we've done is gone out, gauge interest, because you got a tool to build something like this in an automated fashion. We're going to build one of these every 6 minutes. We kind of have to know how to tool, and you got to know about a year in front of your building. So that's what everybody uses pre-orders for. They are always, by definition, non-binding, no money down, cancelable. I mean, that's just that's the nature of EV startups trying to gauge interest.
I understand that, Steve, but some people would look at this and say, look, you were far more aggressive in characterizing those pre-orders as true commitments, that you have company XYZ that has said, yeah, sign us up for 5,000 or 6,000. Do you regret the way you characterized those reservations?
Well, Phil, all I can, I don't want to get into the specifics. All I can tell you is demand is robust. We've never said we had orders. We don't have a product yet. By definition, we can't have orders, right? So when you're early and you're years away from a product, in this case, 1 year, and now we're down to 6 months. So now that we have the betas, we are starting to be able to shore some of that up. But the pre-orders did exactly what they were supposed to do, gauge interest. Nobody knew if fleets would buy an electric pickup truck, right? It was completely unknown science, no data around it. So we queried them. We have very robust interest, and that's just what they are. They're letters of interest. You can't do any more of that in this stage. So I don't think anybody thought that we had actual orders, right? That's just not the nature of this business.
Basically said I screwed up, and that Hindenburg was right, and I don't, those pre-orders were not really binding. They're kind of just to show the public that we have some demand, we have robust demand, but they're not binding and they can be canceled. And that's the reality of it. I mean, could Lordstown motor stock keep going down? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. But do I still think Lordstown is undervalued if they can get the product out on time? Absolutely. If the products, so he says that we're aiming for September, right? The betas are coming out in 10 days. The summer they're going to be showing off the electric van. If all of those things come true, besides the pre-orders, I don't think it matters. I think that these electric trucks are going to have huge demand from fleets, and they're going to have huge demands from consumers. So I feel like Lordstown will do well in the future. I feel like this is still a buying opportunity, but the problem is it's going to go down lower. It's going to go down lower. We can see this thing hit, I don't know, maybe at the very, very best case scenario, I say $8. That would value the company at around $1 billion. $1 billion would be extremely undervalued, but incredible deal, incredible return on investment. just saying, I don't know what you guys want to do, but after that interview, I feel like the stock price is going to go down lower. I think short sellers are going to win short term. Could be wrong. I don't know at the end of the day. I'm just speculating that the stock could go down lower. You guys can sell, gamble that the stock price is going to go down to $10 and then rebuy. I don't know what you want to do, but I'm going to hold just in case I'm wrong and this thing skyrockets tomorrow. You never know what big money is going to do. They could be like, know what? I don't care. I think this company's undervalued, and then all the retail investors are going to sell, and then the stock's going to skyrocket. At the end of the day, you're gambling on big money moving the markets. So, retail investors can't move this. Not at all. All the Robin Hooders and Reddit people trying to squeeze the shorts. That's bull. That's bull. That's not GameStop. The whole GameStop story with retail investors squeezing GameStop. I think that's garbage. I think that is complete garbage. Where's all the news about GameStop now? It's all silent. Retail investors don't have billions and billions of dollars to move stocks. Maybe the billionaires of the retail investors have that, but I don't think so. But I still think that this is a great deal. It can go lower. The stock market is valued at what investors are willing to buy and sell. So the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes, and the more I'm going to load the boat. I'm hoping this thing goes to $10 tomorrow. I'm just hoping. I just want the blood to just bleed out fast, not slow, so then I can just load up the boat, because I don't think this company is going anywhere. And I think that if they deliver on their promises of September production, first on the market, the electric van prototype in the summer, I think that this stock is going to be easily trading over $20 plus or higher by that time. Just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh wait, I can just move on. I still just think about it, right? Who would want to buy Nikola when Lordstown is way better of a deal? Look at the 1 year estimate on Lordstown, $32. So Yahoo Finance thinks that eventually Lordstown will be trading at $32.20. Nikola is trading at $27. So yeah, I don't know. 1 year estimate target. Nikola is a $5 billion. So buying one Nikola share is equivalent to buying 2 Lordstown Motor shares, because Lordstown is half the price of Nikola, or even less than half the price. So, sorry, more than half the price. So yeah, AABB, I'm winning big on this one. Booyah! Up 46 cents. Very happy with this one. At least, not losing too bad. The overall market right now is red. Not too much to say about that. CCIV is down $2.10. Right now the market is a little concerning. Oil is crashing. Gold is up a little bit. Nasdaq is down. SPY is down. Dow is down. So market seems a little volatile. CCIV is crashing. SOS, I can't believe that this stock is holding up. Lordstown, High Tide, I can't believe High Tide is holding up. That's pretty impressive. GTAC Holdings is down 20 cents. SOS is down 25 cents. GameStop is down $6.41. AMC Entertainment is up 36 cents, 2.65%. You like I said, AMC has huge problems right now. And when the movie theaters open up, they're not going to be able to operate at full capacity. And they're valued at $7 billion. And you know how much debt they have on their balance sheet? Yeah. Let's see. Let's just go look. Let's just go look at their debt. They have $11 billion of debt. And they have $308 million of cash. And they are valued at $7 billion. $7 billion! That's ridiculous. Lordstown is valued at $2.1 billion. They have zero debt and $600 million of cash on their balance sheet. Very safe investment. So, my opinion, not financial advice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.